Question number 2. Give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they? And how might you define them? We need in this question define all the terms, and if we find out any other terms in that definition, we must define that also. So let me start solution. Lines on a plane that never meet and always maintain the same distance at every point is called parallel lines. Here we can find out two terms, lines and points. So let us define line and points. Lines. It's a breathless length. Line have no breadth but only it has a length. Points. Points has no parts. We can say that points are dimensionless. Suppose we have line L and line M. So if the distance between line L and M are constant, then we can say that line L parallel line M. Perpendicular lines. Before we define perpendicular lines, we need to define lines and angle. We just define lines is a breathless length. Angle. Two lines diverging from a single point form angle. Let us define perpendicular lines. A line meeting another line at a right angle is said to be a perpendicular lines. Look at this figure. Here, line L and line M both are intersect each other at 90 degree. That's why we can say that line L and line M both are perpendicular. Line segment. Before we define line segment, we need to define lines and points. Dear friends, can you define lines and points? Now let us define line segment. A line with two endpoints is called line segment. Look at this figure. Here we can see two endpoints A and B. So we can say that this one is a line segment AB. Radius of the circle. Before we define radius of the circle, we need to define circle. A circle is a plane circular loop with a center. So now we define radius of the circle. Line with one endpoint at the center and another at any point on the circular boundary is called radius of the circle. Square. Before we define square, we need to define quadrilateral. A plane enclosed figure with four sides is a quadrilateral. Let us define square. A quadrilateral with all sides equal and all angles right angles is a square. Thank you for watching my video. In next video, we will solve question number 3.